Hi, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Good.
Welcome. Welcome. Yeah.
Thank you so much. How are
Yeah.
you?
Fine, fine. I went for regular checkup for sugar as well as thyroid and other problems, regular problems.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, are you ready for second round?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yeah. Um, Please tell briefly about yourself as you would like to be known to Federal Bank interviewers.
Sure, sir. So first of all, a very good evening to everyone. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shantanu Tiwari. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra, popularly known as the Orange City of the country. And I'm a hardworking executive with multiple industry background through internships and training. I have completed my MBA from International Institute of Business Studies, located at Bangalore, with an overall CGPA of 7.29. Currently, I'm helping my father over his business, as well as to give right direction to my energy to improve my skill set and my productivity. I have also started a healthy snacking brand named as Snacking that provide healthy snacking solutions at your doorstep. And I have got the opportunity to make a sales of around 15 lakh rupees within a span of 8 months during my business. Also, by doing business, I have got to know that I possess skills such as patience, decision making, financial management, etc. Also, I love playing cricket, dancing, conducting events, and doing CSR activities. I was the cultural head of the college, as well as I was a Rotary Club member of the college. With that, I have also conducted more than 25 events within a span of 5 years in my college, which include both cultural as well as CSR one. Also, I have participated in various inter-college cricket tournaments as well as dance competitions and won many awards. I believe that I am a goal-oriented and a target achiever person. With that, I am a good team player as well as possess leadership qualities. I am also a creative person, a self-motivated guy, and who also believes in doing hard work. I wish to contribute my skills towards a company who works at scale as well as bring a positive impact towards society. So that's all about myself, sir.
Yeah. Uh, Instead of company, you can say bank when you are telling.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that one. And instead of telling, I believe you can say I am.
I am. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
that's the thing. Okay, that suggestions can be given. Now, you were talking about things, many things. Out of that, one that was very interesting for me was about corporate social responsibility.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what do you understand by corporate social responsibility, and what are the areas in which Federal Bank has been doing its service for corporate social responsibility?
So basically, what I have read through the website is Federal Bank has been taking initiative towards developing the lower sections of the society. They have started running camps for digital literacy. Basically, I have read over the website somewhere that they have started taking initiatives for digital literacy, for improving the digital literacy in the lower sections, as well as one more thing I have read on the website that Federal Bank has also started that zero balance account, taking zero balance account also. These two things I have read on the website.
No, no, sorry. You have not understood my question. My first question was, what is corporate social responsibility, and what is the contribution of our Federal Bank in this regard? I
So,
think your question, you have not addressed the question.
okay. Basically, corporate social responsibility is how one can help the lower sections of the society, like development of the lower section of the society. So I'm not aware that Federal Bank. I am aware about two things that Federal Bank has undertaken for the corporate social responsibility that I told recently. And yes,
But yeah, it is not sufficient. 1 minute. I'll tell you. There is some improvement. Hello. Hello. Acha, so I'm getting delayed now. It may be delayed by about 25 minutes. Okay. Or if, yeah, please, thank you. Yeah. See, actually, for this, what you should do, you should first be clear about, because you are an MBA student. I
Yes, sir.
expect you to know about what is corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, I mean, it is as per the directives of the government that
Um,
certain responsibilities have to be fulfilled. Here,
yes,
actual,
sir.
1 minute, I am just giving the definition in our Federal Bank group Telegram
Sure.
page so that you can take it up afterwards and then see. But the definition goes like this. It is a self-regulate corporate social responsibility is a self-regulating business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself. Or
Yes,
I can share this with you. Why not? Yeah. So this is what it is. You must be able to tell at least 50% of the points given herein. By
absolutely.
practicing corporate social responsibility, also corporate citizen companies can be conscious of the kinds. This is one thing. But this alone will not do. You must be able to go to Wikipedia, and in that CSR, there they tell you what is the proper definition, and that too we can as well go from the angle of India. We want only in respect of India, because there is some, as a MBA student, you must be aware of the definition of
Exact definition you mean.
yeah, abhi dekhiye,
Absolutely, sir.
Wikipedia does not have an article exactly of this name. Search corporate social responsibility. Yeah, this is what it is. So if you go through these things, you will have an idea. Here they say that where companies have more than 500 crores profit in a year, they will have to
Mhm.
contribute 2% of their profit into this
Profit.
corporate social responsibility area. It can be like maintenance of a garden, say public garden, or maintenance of roads, or say giving scholarships to students, or providing buses to schools, and also giving facilities in the hospitals, like that. In that regard, I think our um, uh, Federal Bank has been giving scholarships and also giving buses to people, and
They
also
are giving bus
ambulance.
facility.
So many things they
Yes.
have done. So you go through at least the latest one, because
Absolutely, sir.
they have
I
given
have
different,
visited the website.
they have given different files for that. Under that, you go
Mhm.
through that only, that will do. Good.
I need to check the recent file. Actually, I have checked, but I need to check the recent file that they have uploaded.
Yeah, yeah. But your answer did not carry the basic ingredients of the fact that you are aware about CSR. Correct?
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
I will take it up.
Probably this was not there in your degree as a subject or a topic.
No, 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 no. It was not there actually.
That is the reason. This is probably included in law, legal business, and also
Yes, sir.
MBA marketing. It will come. MBA marketing. You did marketing or what?
Yes, marketing only, but it was not there in marketing. It will come in HR, I guess. I'm not sure.
Oh, no. But it is a part and parcel of both
Yeah,
HR as
maybe
well
one
as
or two points will be there, but I
yeah.
guess most probably in HR it will come.
It will come. Very good.
Yeah,
Excellent. So because you are concentrating more, your degree is marketing, you are a marketing person, questions will
absolutely.
be 90% based on that.
Okay, sir.
Now, my next question to you is that I'm sure you will be very happy to take up marketing responsibilities in our bank. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then can you please tell me what strategies will you adopt based on your present experience and based on what you have studied in websites and all? What strategies will you adopt to improve the business of our bank? You know, this question is very relevant. In one interview, a candidate
Mm-hmm.
from HDFC was asked, look, your HDFC is doing such a glorious business. How come they
Mm-hmm.
are able to do such a good business? What strategies do you adopt for this? That was the question put to them. While such a question cannot be put to you, they can make it this way. What strategies will you adopt to see that the business of our bank is improved considerably?
So, being a PO, my major focus would be on the existing customers and to acquire new customers. So, what I will do is, first of all, I will try to convert more and more customers towards Federal Bank by making them opening various accounts like savings account, current account, and I can even ask for request them for purchasing that cross-selling product that we are offering, and also we can run various camps in places such as some under construction area. There are camps of various banks that provide a home loan. We can do that also. With that, we can also try to convince our existing customers to give us a reference because there are many high net worth individuals who are connected with our bank, and we can take use of that. We can take their advantage, and we can also ask them for a reference. Also, one more thing I would like to add that we can also connect with or partner with some corporate offices to open salaries account with us. So they can we can also do that. We can ask various companies to open salaries account with us, and yeah, these are some of the measures that I can currently I am thinking that we can undertake.
Actually, yeah, you can
Also,
add this, but the question was asked with specific reference how you will use your present talent in social media into that.
So particularly, I am a business background person. So what I can do is I'm running a online business, so I can give more focus towards the marketing itself. So what I can do is I can increase the social media visibility of our bank, like through Twitter, through Instagram, through even in LinkedIn. I have seen that Federal Bank is active on LinkedIn, but various other banks are more active as compared to Federal Bank. Their posts are
don't tell this in an interview. Don't tell them you are less active than others. तो बोलना नहीं है, वो तो सही है.
Okay.
It is known, but जब interviewer may not like to be told that they are less active. So obviously, understand?
Absolutely, sir. We'll take this under consideration.
Yeah. So
we can improve the visibility of Federal Bank through paid. There are paid promotions also. We can also promote via influencers. They can also help because currently, if we see that many influencers are promoting payment banks and other platforms that are related to banking. So we can even take help of them and can promote our product as much as possible. So I can definitely help in promotion of the market.
Yeah, I expected an answer like this, that I am very active in social Facebook. I'm very active in LinkedIn and Twitter and other things. I have more than 2,000, 3,000 followers, and I will use the contacts that I already have built up now for developing the business. Something like that you can add. Good.
Yes, I have told that I can take we can take use of existing customers and even my network I can use that.
Excellent.
I told that.
That's good. What will you prefer, private bank or public bank for making deposits?
I'll prefer a private bank because according to me, the services of private bank are a lot quicker and a lot efficient as compared to that of public sector banks. This is through my personal experience. I am having a bank account in Canara Bank as well as I am having a bank account in a current account in Axis Bank. So it's just a comparison, but I get tremendous excellent service via Axis Bank and somewhat not compatibility is weak in public sector banks according to me.
So what is it? What do you say that compatibility is more in private sector? What makes you say so? No, this is,
So,
you don't have to answer me. Be prepared for such a question. Okay.
absolutely, sir, absolutely.
Yeah, very good. Now, supposing you want to join in service, which one will you prefer, private bank or public bank?
Certainly, private sector banks, sir.
Why?
Um, because I believe that private sector banks and the skill set that I have is quite matchable. They both are private sector bank is competitive. Private sector bank is much creative. Private sector banks always focus on bringing out innovation, and that's the reason why I believe that even I am very much creative. I'm very much competitive, as well as I believe in doing innovations and making the sales through innovation. So that's the reason why I want to join a private sector bank as compared to a public sector one.
Good. You said Nagpur is an orange city.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell some details about that?
So my city, Nagpur, is the center of India. Uh, it's the 0th mile. That means the all the mapping of our India has been done taking Nagpur as the center, and we have around 49 talukas and 1,200 plus villages, and all the districts in total Nagpur district we produce oranges. The reason we are not the biggest exporter or exporter of the oranges, but the qualities of oranges here is much better as compared to other ones. So that's the reason it is called as the orange city of the country. And even at the 0th mile, we have a big orange banner.
Is the value
Big
of,
orange banner,
is the cost of orange changes during seasons
city by city.
less and
Yes, sir,
other seasons
absolutely.
it is more? As a
Uh, so
during seasons, what will be the price of oranges, normal size?
around 80 rupees, 70 rupees. It varies, sir. From orange to orange, it varies. The quality of orange, it varies.
Mhm. So,
And
no, but you must tell me some average price. What is the average?
average is 70 to 80, 70 to 80.
Very good. Excellent. What can you add as a marketing MBA graduate to the bank?
Being a marketing person, I believe that I am an excellent communicator. I have skills such as creativity. I am a very confident person. So certainly this skill will help me to improve the sales of the federal bank. Whichever branch I will be put it in, I am very adaptable to situations. I can handle pressure very well, and I believe that my work increases and enhances under pressure. So certainly, I have a pressure handling capabilities, and with that, I wanted to make a comeback to the corporate world. The honesty, the hardship towards the work, and the commitment towards the work which I'll be bringing certainly makes me one step ahead of others. So these are a few things that I can certainly bring to improve the sales or um, to improve the sales and to improve the growth of the federal bank.
Good.
That's what I believe.
Very good. Who is the marketing officer of our bank?
MVS Murthy, sir. He has been recently appointed as the CMO, and he is the first CMO of Federal Bank.
Good. Who is the MD and CEO of our bank?
Shri Sam Srinivasan, sir.
Very good. Can you tell the banking scenario at present in India? It's a broad question. Tell me broadly, yes, what is the banking scenario present in India?
So I believe I want to share my point of view that I believe that the banking sector right now is very stable as compared to other sectors in India, and the opportunities in banking sector is quite high because even if we look at the current scenario, each and every branch has improved has increases their hiring. So the opportunities in banking sector, what I believe that is quite high as compared to other sectors in India. Even you can make a career in such a small field in banking sector like investment investment banking, you can make a career in investment banking, you can make a career in foreign exchange. These are some of the reasons I believe that the stability in the banking sector is quite high. Also, banking sector, yes.
No, actually, you are talking from the angle of an employee or an applicant.
Mm-hmm.
But my question was an open question. Tell the banking scenario. For that, the answer has to be the central bank is the Reserve Bank of India. We have 12
Okay.
public sector banks. We have so many private sector banks. We have foreign banks. We have regional rural banks, then small finance banks, payment banks, cooperative banks, district cooperative banks. Likewise, you must be able to highlight
I
that.
thought you were asking about the what is the scenario going on in current banking sector.
Current banking sector. Yeah. So you must tell that we have on the one hand public sector, on the other hand a more powerful private sector. For example, your which is the largest bank in our country?
SBI?
No, HDFC. The
Oh,
question.
sorry. Yes,
The,
it is a private sector bank.
the question was
You are
open.
it is the largest bank.
The question was which bank is bigger? Never I said as private sector or public sector. So
Okay, okay.
That is the scenario. On the one hand, private sector has got largest bank, but of course, in
Yes.
terms of deposits and all, majority on business is with the public sector only, obviously.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
So like that, you can differentiate and tell some interesting points because you are an MBA student. Not, I won't
Yes,
ask,
sir.
I will not ask this question to MSc computer science person.
Understood, understood.
Yeah, that is the reason. Good.
Actually, through scenario, I was thinking that you are asking for how banking sector is going on right now. So that's the reason why I told this.
Yeah, it's okay. It is okay. Fine. That's okay. Fine. Good, 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 good. So now, supposing you are made branch manager of a branch in Karnataka, but I think you have lived in Karnataka for 2 years, or at least one part of the year. When did you complete your When did you complete your degree MBA?
In October 2020.
Achha, then they can ask a question to you. What are the other exams you have written so far?
Right till now, I haven't written any exam. So this was my first exam that I have written.
Really? Oh,
yes.
Because you were concentrating on that e-commerce, correct?
No, sir. Actually, I was concentrating on Federal Bank itself.
From
so
then,
yes,
how can it be, Baba? From 2020, you have been thinking only about Federal Bank. Means, did you write Federal Bank last time?
Actually, I was unable to write the exam last time because my father was quite ill and I have some responsibilities with me. So as soon as I am free from responsibilities, I have written the exam and cleared it.
Excellent. Good. It's a good answer. I like this. Good, 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 good. Now, coming to the area of e-commerce.
Yes, sir.
How do you imagine this e-commerce will be after 5 years from now or 10 years from now? What are the further improvements that could have come into this area? This is an open question. They can ask like this for say, of course, this is high level question of the level of semi IAS level. For example, this question can be asked, how do you imagine banking scenario will be after 10 years? How do you imagine e-commerce scenario after 10 years? Like this type of questions can be there. I suggest you think over and prepare for answers for this high level question also.
Absolutely, sir. I am prepared for this e-commerce question.
Yeah.
And even I am prepared for banking questions also. So shall I tell you about the e-commerce or banking?
No. You're prepared on this. Then you tell me e-commerce. How do you imagine what improvements you expect in e-commerce? What changes do you expect in e-commerce?
Sir, within the span of 5 years, I believe that the situation will be in India, I'm telling about in India only. So
Yeah.
the situation will not improve, I guess. I will say that within a span of 5 years, the situation would be same, because currently each and everyone is focusing towards coming out of inflation, towards coming out of towards developing more and more infrastructure, and even government is focusing on that. We are known that government has introduced CBDC, that central bank digital currency, but till now no news after that has been came that what
No, no.
they have taken.
Now the news is government
Mhm.
is thinking of banning that cryptocurrency. Latest
They are
yesterday.
thinking of banning Bitcoin, sir. It is today's news only. They are planning to ban Bitcoin, and this news has been
Maybe right, maybe
publishing
correct,
from past 4 to 5 years, sir. No,
correct.
no,
No, no, correct news
it
or
won't
bad
get done,
news.
sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir,
I
absolutely.
yesterday had some information that that is told by Nirmala Sitharaman.
Yes,
Government
sir.
wants to ban this currency. I mean, this
Cryptocurrency.
cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's what
Sir, it's an open statement. Government wants to ban, but they are not yet banning it.
they have not banned it. Correct. They have not
Because
banned it. So
yes, they
your
are,
view is there may not be much improvement in e-commerce
no,
because
sir.
of the fact that because of the downfall we had on account of COVID and
Absolutely.
the steps
Through
to be taken to come off.
Russia,
You are to some extent correct. Reserve Bank of India itself has said it
yes,
may
sir.
be 2035 the time for us to reach the pre-COVID levels.
Absolutely, sir.
That is what they have been telling.
Yeah, I have read this news before only, so I was prepared for this question actually.
Mhm. Good, good, good. Now, tell me something about dollar and rupees.
So currently, the rupee value of rupee is falling drastically. Today or yesterday only, it has reached 80 rupees per dollar. I guess today it has been reached 80 rupees per dollar, and it is the highest ever. But to improve it, government is taking various measures. Like government has uh, it has recently taken one measure that all the business, export business, it has taken our currency to globe. Like all the business will be taken under consideration and will be done in rupees only. So suppose we are conducting business with Russia, so Russia needs to pay us. Then they don't have to pay us dollars or something. They need to pay us rupees only, and we will be paying them rubles. So for that, we have government has created accounts in Russia, and Russia will create an account in India. And
Good, good.
we will,
I think you are aware of that. Very good. That's good.
yes,
Measures being taken by what is the present foreign exchange reserves? Roughly.
around $580 billion.
Super. Good question. Who is the
To be precise,
governor
it is
of RBI?
$580 billion.
Who is the governor of RBI?
Sir Shaktikanta Das
Who is the
is the RBI
who
governor.
is the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh?
I'm not aware of the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh. I'm aware of Maharashtra chief minister.
Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Na?
Yes, yes, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, right.
But I know, though you say Nagpur belongs to Maharashtra, most of
Maharashtra.
us feel that it is in Madhya Pradesh because it is in the middle, you know.
It's the right in the middle only.
Yeah, anyhow, doesn't matter. Next one is, say, who is the IRDAI chairman? Deboshish Panda.
Devashish Panda, right.
What is the present bank rate?
Present bank rate is 5.15.
What is, don't you think it is very low? Should it not be
Yes, sir,
increased?
absolutely. I because previously it was, I guess, from 6.8 to 7.7, something like that, previously, and it has been reduced. but it certainly I believe that it will help local retail investor people only. The interest rate, at least they can get loans on quite low interest rate. I believe that.
That is the advantage. Good.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you so much.
Any feedback from your end, sir?
Pardon?
Where I can improve? Any feedback from your end where I can improve?
No, you must have felt it by now. But one thing, my questioning and all is very tough oriented, because I wanted it to be difficult for you because you are a businessman and marketing man. But you
Yes,
will
sir.
not have this much difficulty there when you go for the first time. But then when you introduce yourself, आपका marketing effort को थोड़ा ज़्यादा मत बोलो, कम बोलो.
Absolutely, sir.
Because if you say I have done 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs and all that, आपसे expectation ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं.
Understood.
So इसलिए you say, to keep myself busy, I started an e-commerce site like this, and I am doing selling of snacks, etc. And I am happy with the progress I am getting in this. However, I would like to join banking service because that offers good scope for direct contact with customers and also to improve in career prospects, etc. ऐसा बताना है.
Okay, sir. I will take this under
Yeah.
consideration.
Very good.
Okay.
Best wishes.
I need to sharpen my introduction.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
No, the point is, we normally likes people who talk like you, but at the same time, our expectation from such people will be increasing.
Okay, sir. Understood.
That is the thing. Otherwise, you did a very good
No, and do I need to improve on my vocabulary? Do I need to improve on my confidence?
vocabulary and confidence and all, no questions. Everything is good. But knowledge-wise,
okay, sir. We'll work on that.
knowledge-wise, regarding GK, regarding banking and all
Yeah,
that.
I have been banking news.
But of course, it's a vast area, I understand. But one thing, nothing else is required. Please dwell through Federal Bank website and
Yes, sir. I have
try to get my. I could not get time to ask questions regarding, say, what have you seen in Federal Bank website? What suggestions you will like to give for improvement? What is it you like in Federal Bank website like this? You prepare on these lines.
Yes, sir. I have already visited. I usually visit Federal Bank website regularly on regular basis only. At least 1 or 2 times a day.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.